What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Keep Notes to PDF for printing. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in keep.google.com, or on the right side you can scroll a bit and then you can see the Keep Notes app of Google. Just simply click on it and then your Keep Notes app will be opened. Now make sure that you have signed in or logged in with your Google account on Keep Notes. And after that, let's say if I want to make a PDF for this note, I will just click over to it and click it once. After clicking, the note will open like this. And from here, I will click on this more three dots. After clicking, you will simply click on Copy to Google Docs. After clicking, this document will be copied to Google Docs. Now you have the option of Open Doc. Click on this and the note will open on Google Documents. Now from here on the left side, you can see the option of File. Click on it once and then you can see the option of Download. Over to the Download option and then you can see the option of PDF document. Click on it and after that it will download your note in the PDF format. So as you can see, my note has been downloaded in the PDF format. So I will just save it on my downloads, and after that I can print this note that is already in the form of PDF. So this is how you can convert your Google Keep Notes to PDF for printing. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.